I hate forging kukris, but that does not mean you have to. Hot work with material is primarily about efficiency. That is, you have to figure out how to forge your item in the least amount of heats possible. And thankfully, these kukris are taking me 3 heats each. That means if I pile off a bunch of metal in the forge, I don't have to stop working, and at the end of the 2 hours, I will have a whole pile of blank blades. Also, since you guys like them, we will drop a kukri every couple days on the website. Check it out now. Every single one of these is hand forged, hand ground, and hand assembled. Every single one of them is slightly unique, so if you find the one you like, hurry, get it.